Hey everyone, today I'm going to actually explain to you how you can use your EBT card for food purchases on Uber Eats, guys. Well, look, guys, it's not as straightforward as paying with a credit or debit card, but I'll break it down for you what you actually need to know and give you some alternative tips if Uber Eats directly does not accept EBT in your area, guys. Let's dive straight in. So, first, guys, it's important to understand that Uber Eats doesn't directly accept ABT as a payment option. So, if you're browsing the app hoping to link your ABT card directly, it will not work that way. However, guys, there is a workaround that can help you get access to food from participating grocery stores using ABT. So, some states, okay, actually have partnerships with Uber Eats to allow grocery stores and food delivery services to accept EBT for eligible food items. This option may actually vary by state, and it typically only covers certain items. For example, you might be able to get essentials like milk, bread, or produce through an Uber Eats affiliated grocery store if they participate in this program. However, you won't be able to buy hot food or restaurant prepared meals with your EBT card due to federal regulations. So to check if this option is available, guys, okay, what you need to do is open Uber Eats and search for local grocery stores or stores that specify SNAP, okay, SNAP or EBT as an accepted payment method, okay? You can also contact the store directly if necessary, as some stores may allow in-store pickup using EBT rather than delivery through Uber Eats. So, another option, guys, is to use services that partner with with Uber Eats but do not accept EBT. For example, some locations have partnered with online platforms like Instacart or Walmart's delivery service, which allows you to place grocery orders online using your EBT card. These platforms might offer delivery, so you could actually order food items with EBT and have them delivered by a service like Uber. So this is how it works, guys. You just sign up with a delivery platform like that accepts EBT, such as Instacart or Walmart. You can just use EBT as a payment method when ordering these groceries. And for delivery, you just want to select options that might use third-party couriers, like Uber Eats, to bring the order to your doorstep. That way, the food gets to you even if Uber Eats does not directly take EBT, guys. All right, guys. So while Uber Eats doesn't currently accept EBT directly for restaurants or fast food purchases, there's still ways to get food delivered using EBT card for grocery, guys. If this guide helped, guys, and it helped clear things up for you, let me know in the comments below. If you need any more help, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on using your benefits in new ways, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you.